everybody in this whole motherfucker to pull their phone out, turn that flashlight on. We want it to look like a fucking Taylor Swift, One Direction fucking concert in here. No, not right now, when we get to the bridge. And this song is called Subway Car. Nobody's ever heard this shit before. And it goes like this. We need the lights off too. Sweet, that's all you are. Light a gun up in a subway car. Now the sun's up. Yeah, that's all you made. You got a resume and an ashtray. You ain't working for nobody but you. Oh yeah, that city moves to you, babe. Oh yeah, the way it comes to you.